If you need to create a website fast, let me show you how you can use Hostinger's AI website builder to build your website. Hey friends, it's Tisha, and I teach you the tools that you need to help you start your online business. And in today's video, I'm showing you how to use Hostinger. Hostinger is a beginner-friendly website builder, and with this AI website builder and drag and drop system, you can easily create and launch your own website, even if you've never created a website before. So let me show you. The first step is to sign up for an account with Hostinger. You can use the link down below in the description box to get started. To get started with the AI website builder, you will need to select a plan. They have two plans that you can choose from: the Premium Website Builder plan and the Business Website Builder plan. Now, depending on the length of your subscription, these amounts do change. The best value is the 48-month plan, and I do recommend the Business Website Builder plan because with this plan, it gives you the e-commerce option. So if you are wanting to sell any type of product, physical or digital products, this is the plan that you are going to need. Right now, they are running a sale, so depending on when you watch this video and when you set up your account with Hostinger, there may or may not be a sale. However, I do have a discount code that you can use. It is BOSSTOOLSSTUDIO. Just enter that in when you get ready to sign up and receive an additional 10% off. So once you're ready, you want to select Choose Plan. Once you are here, you want to add in the discount code, and you're going to receive an additional 10% off. And once you're ready, you want to hit continue to finish signing up for your Hostinger account. Okay, so once you have signed up for your account, it is going to bring you to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, I want you to click on Websites, and then I want you to click Add Website and select Hostinger Website Builder. And this is going to take us to the AI website builder, where it's going to ask us to prompt it to help us build our website. Okay, so here we are with the AI website builder. Before we start building, I do want to point out one thing for you. Hostinger does have a list of pre-made templates that you can choose from. If that is something that you're interested in, you can just take a look at their template library and browse through it. And if you find something that you like, you can choose it. But for this video, we're just going to focus on the AI website builder. Here in this text box, this is where you're going to give it some detailed information about your brand, about your business, any information that you think is going to be helpful for it to build your website. So I already have a prompt here and I'm ready. You're going to hit the purple arrow and it's going to start building out my website, and this can take a few moments. Here is the website that Hostinger created for me. I asked it to create a website for a candle brand. So it has basically created my website for me. Okay. Now, if whatever it generates for you, if you don't like it, you can go over here to the right and click Edit Idea, reprompt it, and it's going to generate another website layout for you. But if you're happy with the layout, you can just go ahead and hit Continue. Now, because Hostinger created a store front for me, it automatically brought me to the store manager. But first, I want to show you how to edit and customize your website. So to do that, you want to go to the top right and click Edit Website, and it's going to take us to the website editor. Okay, so here we are in the website editor, and Hostinger makes editing and customizing your site super easy. Anything that you want to edit, all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to be highlighted with this blue box. That's when you know that the section or the element that you want to edit is highlighted, and that particular toolbar will pop up and allow you to edit it. It also allows you to drag and drop anything anywhere that you want it to be, and again, making it super easy for you to edit. Starting at the top, we have an announcement banner where it's showing like a discount code. If you don't want that, you can delete. You can always add and delete anything that you want. If you want to add anything, you can simply click Add Section, and then you can just simply scroll through the different sections that they have. They have blog sections, they have the online store, appointments, and you can just simply just go through each one of those and add anything that you feel is missing from your website. Here we are is a header. So if you click here, you can see that it has our name here. If you want to replace with your own logo, you can do that. Over here, you have your different pages. And again, you can do the same with each individual. If there's a page that you want to add, you can go on the left hand side and click pages, and that page option will appear. Now we're going to come back to the SEO. With your hero section, it's going to automatically give you an image or a video. If you want to change that out, you simply click on edit section and you can add a video. They do have a video library via Pexels. You can choose from their library or you can upload your own. If you don't want a video, you can always just use the image. It is up to you. Okay. The easiest way to edit everything throughout the website is to go over here to the left hand side and click on styles, and you can see your different colors here, and you can change them by simply clicking on the one that you want to change. You hit select and you can either add your color or select from website colors. Once you select the color, you just hit accept. Then once you hit accept, that color will change. Okay. Also, you have a list of fonts that you can choose from. Select a font combo that best represents the style that you are looking for. Okay. You can also change your button style. Right now it has like this oval shape, but if you want more of a square, you can select that. Or if you want something in between, you can select this one. Then there's animations. This is something you can choose to have on your website. You don't have to. It is just an option. Okay. If you plan to use your website to sell products, let me show you how you can add products to your website. So there's two ways that you can do that. You can click on add section and then you click on online store, and you have an option to select from product list or a single product. You can do it that way, or we can go to the left hand side and click on store. This is going to take us to our store manager. You can select product and it's going to take us back to our store manager, which we kind of seen in the beginning. Now you do have the option to sell all types of products with Hostinger. You can sell physical products, you can sell digital products, your services, you can collect donations, and you can also do print on demand. Once you decide on the product that you want to add, you simply just click on that product and then you add your product details here by uploading your images, adding your title and description, scrolling down and adding your price. And once you're done, you just hit save and it's going to add it to your store. Hostinger also has some built-in AI tools. If you go to the left, you click on AI tools, you have the option to image generator. You can use their AI writer, the AI page generator, blog generator, AI SEO assistant, which we're going to look at in just a few, and also the AI logo maker. You can play around with these and just see if it's going to generate some of the content and help you create your website. So now let me show you how to add pages. If we scroll to the top, right now we have our home page. We have a shop page that shows our list of products, an about page, and a contact. Okay. If you want to add any additional pages, we'll go over here to the left, select pages. It has our pages listed. It also has our navigation. So if we wanted to move these around, we can simply just drag and drop those in a different order, in the order that we want them to show. To add a page, you want to click on add page. And again, you just go through the different pre-made pages that they have, and you can add that to your site and edit it and customize it to fit your needs. Now, one thing that I want to show you is their SEO. And if you're not familiar with SEO, SEO is search engine optimization. This is how your website can be found in sites like Google, helping you gain organic traffic and not always having to rely on social media traffic. So I do like that the Hostinger website builder actually has these options built in. If you just click on SEO, it actually walks you through how to set up your page and make sure that it's SEO optimized. And I think this is very helpful, especially if you are new and if you're a beginner to SEO and you've never done it before. It's going to walk you through what you need to do. Okay. It has the AI SEO assistance. You can generate, click on this. You can give it some information about your site and go through those steps, and it's going to generate some keywords for you. If you want to do your own keyword research, a free keyword tool that you can use is a Wordstream. I will also have that link down below in the description box. And then you can just simply go through the steps and add your keywords to your website. It'll tell you like what you need. See right here, it has this little exclamation yellow, and it's telling you that you need to include your keyword. So honestly, just go through this section and follow the steps, and you'll be able to make sure that your website is SEO optimized. As you are editing and customizing your website, I recommend that you go to the top and click on the mobile view so you can see how your website looks on a mobile phone, and you can do this for each page of your website. So there's a few more things you need to do before your website can be live, and that is to connect a domain. So you can go to the top here and click connect domain, click change domain, and you can simply search for a domain name for your business. Okay, and it'll show you what names are available based on what you type. You can select it. If the .com is not available, you can choose .shop. It's up to you what you want to choose. Once you choose your domain name, you just want to hit next, and it's going to take you through those steps. With Hostinger, you do get a free domain for the first year of your plan, as long as you pick anything above 12 months and above. If you only pick the 1 month plan, then you won't get the free domain for the first year. Before you hit publish, you can preview your site by clicking on preview, and you just want to make sure everything looks the way that you want it to look. If you need to make any changes, you can go back to the editor, and then once you're ready to go live, you want to click the purple go live button. Now, once you hit go live, you will have a temporary domain, and you can use this link to share your website amongst your social media pages or your email list. Keep in mind that once you do connect your domain, it may take up to 24 hours for it to connect to the domain that you've chosen. So it's going to give you a temporary domain to use in the meantime. Okay, friends, so if you've been procrastinating on creating your website, just use Hostinger. Don't forget to use my link down below to help you get started, and use that discount code to get your 10% off. If you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comments, and make sure that you check out these videos if you want to learn a little bit more on AI. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.